About to get hot in here.
Good night. Good night.
Love you. Okay. All the flavor. Welcome to another exciting food tier list challenge. Today we're going to be doing ramen noodles like I've talked about in previous videos. We're going to be doing a little different because we're going to do some direct comparisons. Top ramen versus Maruchan in various flavors with a little bit of cup noodle, Nissan cup noodle action in there. And then we have various randoms that Bendy has picked up that we're just going to tier list out without a direct comparison. Yep. So we already have, we got water going back here. We already have the beef done, so we're going to just jump right in to beef. This actually smells kind of good.
It's beef ramen. Can't really go wrong there, can we?
Amber, you should be like the silent camera guy, like on Is It Worth It?
Like sneaking in to take shapes and things.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is top. This one is Maruchan
Okay.
of just plain beef. This one's got like chunks. See that?
Yeah, look at that.
It's got like weird chunks. That one's just got enough.
Yeah, it's just
Powder.
some straight noodles. It's gonna be so hot.
We're extra sweaty because we just worked out together. Okay.
Okay.
No laughter.
There's no laughing. We detect the laughing.
That smells better.
It does smell really good. It smells like what it's supposed to be better. I think got the formula right there.
Okay. Maruchan, top. I'm gonna wait for this other pot to boil so we can make these at the same time. Because I feel like with these beefs specifically, the time between each one we made is affecting the flavor a little bit. Because the Maruchan is at least 4 or 5 minutes older than the top.
Gotcha.
So how do you feel about that? Do you think that affected it? Because those were a little soggy.
I mean, yeah, they were a little more gummy, yeah, for sure.
So let's do that. Let's share our beef.
Who got it?
Who won in your mind? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Boom, top.
Top ramen.
Yeah.
Which is blowing my mind because I hated top ramen as a kid.
Well, you know, I've got years to perfect the art, you know.
I used to purposely avoided top ramen for the last 20 years because of my 12-year-old opinion on top ramen. But that was
Yeah, top took the
Good.
first round.
yeah. All right, so on to chicken.
All right.
We're guerrilla style shooting this one in
Yeah.
the kitchen,
Ooh, ooh.
so don't judge me here. I also lost my camera, so I'm using Amber's camera.
Shout out to Amber for letting us use it.
Alert! We're going to add every leftover that we have, because we're only taking like 1 to 2 bites each of each one, to a big old bowl, and we're gonna do a suicide ramen at the end. So there's some beef.
Smells like herbs and stuff.
This smells like Maruchan chicken.
Okay. And that's Maruchan, and I'm
Yep.
the top.
Top, and you can see the noodle difference too. Like these are thick. Top is thicker noodles. You're not in Primville.
You're not the favorite.
Yeah, top is thicker noodles and Maruchan is not. So this is standard chicken.
So hot. I can't believe your mouth that big. Oh. Please don't burn yourself.
I'm okay. It was good. I shouldn't say that out loud. It might affect you. You got this. You got this. Don't put your noodles back in the bowl. We're trying to avoid COVID here. Yeah, just throw them in. I'm gonna put a little more water in this guy.
Is it gross?
No. His is just kind of dry looking. And I like my noodles wet. Pretty much it. Oh god.
That pasta?
I like my
Wet ass pasta.
Bring a bucket and a mop.
It's gonna be our tag for
You're
this.
not in frame at all.
Jesus Christ. This one's a lot harder to judge.
Ready? One. This is top ramen versus Maruchan chicken. And go. I know you can't see these, but neither can we. So. Oh, you're not even ranking them.
No, I was just saying which I like more.
Okay, Maruchan. I put Maruchan as well.
Yeah,
It was way better.
I liked.
Way better.
Yeah,
Which is crazy because
yeah.
their beef was better.
I was kind of neutral on that one, but I went with Maruchan.
Not me, man. A versus C.
Oh really?
Yeah, that top
Okay.
top
What do you
ramen
want?
chicken subpar.
What am I eating right now?
Top ramen. Go get the other ones. Ugh. It already smells weird. Just with two flavors. Okay, so our next one is going to be soy versus soy. This one's different though, so we're gonna follow the instructions for that guy. This is top ramen is Nissan. Wait a minute.
Wait, what?
We didn't even cook the other one, so that doesn't matter. Top ramen is Nissan.
What?
No added MSG? Hi.
Failure.
Oh, we gotta do the fixings, right? It's part of it. It's part of it.
Okay. I'm just thinking ahead.
It's part of it. It's a direct comparison from what you get to what you get.
Okay.
So we gotta do it.
Okay.
Oh,
What's
the smell of this one. You feeling it?
I'm feeling the sodium train.
You scared of that? Are you gonna try it?
I'll get with you.
I'll go to the loony bin with you.
Let's do. Followed you all these years so far. I'll late to turn back now.
Okay. There's clean forks in there. Okay, so we pour the flavor on. This is not.
It's like a soup, yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. Although this one smells better than the other one. What is it, syrup?
Ooh, it's soy oil.
Soy oil. Yeah, we'll hold yours up for this.
I ever tell you about my problem with soy sauce?
No?
I never told you that story.
Problem with soy sauce.
I'll tell you.
I have a problem with soy sauce as well. It's too much.
Well, I could tell you a story. I was with soy sauce. I was a young child and I was in the back seat of the car and I was really thirsty because it was a hot summer day. So I was going through bags and I was just trying to find a liquid, and the first liquid I found,
How old were you?
I don't remember. It was like
Little?
this is like one of my very first memories, like earliest memory. And I found a bottle, I saw a liquid, pop top, and I started drinking it, and I instantly was like, oh, because it's soy sauce. So I like spit it out, and it was gross.
Your parents were like, summer day, windows up.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, you think
Kill
that's
this
great?
kid.
Yep, turn the AC off. And I'm just like, and it's like, 102 as I'm just baking, and all the fumes just coming off of my body from the soy sauce. And
All right.
I'm just,
Let's relive that.
Yeah. It's,
I've got a drinking story as well, but I won't tell it. As a kid, my parents smoked. That's all I'm gonna say.
Then you can't blame the soy sauce for your fucking ignorance.
Yeah, I can.
You
It just doesn't help. So
That tastes like cigarettes. Oh my god. This smells like cigarettes.
no, good. We are good. We're good. Oh,
What the fuck? Holy fuck.
That's
Hot as
hot.
ball.
yeah. So this is like a dragon steam coming out of your mouth.
Ugh.
Just. Just.
That's some nasty ass shit.
Yeah.
Lover, you like soy sauce?
That one's got the. Yeah, give her that one at least. At least they give her that.
better scare me somehow.
That was the. Why did we save this flavor for last in the comparisons? That one's better though. Sorry, didn't write it down, but I'm gonna go ahead and give that top ramen microwaved soy sauce flavor an F because that shit was gross. Just the smell alone will tell you not to eat that.
Yeah, that's an F from me as well.
And then the Maruchan is probably gonna be a D.
I agree.
D minus. I wish I had Mountain Dew challenge to wash that down right now.
Get it.
Because that shit is gross. Are we still adding this to the... I don't want to add this to
No,
the suicide
do not.
because it's just like...
It's horrible.
It'll just ruin the whole thing.
Yeah, all we're gonna taste is
After doing the top soy, I don't want to do the top chicken. But I will. For you.
for science.
Make that one.
I won't make you do the shrimp one.
You make that one and I'll make the creamy chicken.
Okay. Chicken.
With veggies. A little bit of veggies. No MSG.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I'm the first.
So I tried the top last time.
You better try the top.
Yeah, okay.
This is going to be just as hot as the last one.
Ooh, what is that? A little pepper, got a little green thing.
Hear that little kitty?
I thought it was Ruffy.
It is Revy. Revy's featured in all our videos. What's your favorite?
Oh,
What's your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
You drink some broth.
That's my favorite part.
Yeah, the broth is good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the noodles are kind of whatever, but that broth, when you mix that sauce stuff in, that's where it's at. Half time I'm just like, noodles, get out of my way.
That's kind of what I was doing last night a little bit. I was just like, let's eat all this so I can drink this broth.
Mm-hmm.
Because I got the really spicy ramen. Ready? Go. Can't see it? I gave it a C.
C?
A C.
I gave it a B+, but I gave the soup part of it an A.
I was gonna say, I was rating the whole thing. So those noodles are too tough, and I'm not a fan. But the sauce was good. Like, if I just threw the noodles out, I guess.
Yeah, just had the soup. I've done that for sure.
Mmm, creamy. Creamy chicken. This is creamy. You ever eat ramen out of a shoe?
What? I'm gonna hurt you.
I like you.
What do you think of? Ugh.
It's punching you in the face. It smells like creamy chicken. It smells like creamy chicken soup.
Oh. I don't know if I like that. Okay, let's just get a little bit of air wound up. I'm gonna have to just torque it out.
It's good. You didn't slurp it. You're gonna roll all the way up?
Shh.
I knew that wouldn't work out. I knew it. You just upped the fork.
I know. Shut up. Ugh. No. just like Mom always made it.
Hot. Alright. Creamy chicken. Maruchan. Give it a B.
D.
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 Give it a B. It's not bad. I don't hate it.
I mean, if I was starving listening to Downward Spiral, I'd eat it. But...
Into the pile. Don't worry. I think this will drown it out a lot.
Oh, you do? Oh, wow.
Okay. So we've got Dr. McDougall's vegan ramen chicken. Chicken vegan.
That doesn't sound right.
I was going to see if it has MSG.
So, no BPA.
That's good. There's no plastic in it.
Oof.
It doesn't smell that bad. It kind of smells like Linton's chicken noodle soup.
Oh.
And it kind of looks like Linton's chicken noodle soup. It looks hot. Oh, wow. What you think? I'm gonna give that one an F.
Damn.
What'd you think?
It's void.
It's gross.
I'm just eating gummy noodles. There's like
Yeah.
no real flavor there.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
no bueno. It's pretty unsolid. I mean, I get the point. It's supposed to be crazy healthy. It still has almost 700 grams of sugar, or of sodium. So it's not that healthy. You said it's void. It'll just become whatever flavor.
Uh-huh. It's true. I don't like that.
You're the one who bought vegan chicken flavored ramen. Soon, vegan, miso and tofu. How you doing?
How you doing?
It's past midnight at this point, just so everybody knows. Alright, do it.
It's hot.
It's supposed to be hot.
I know, but it's just...
Alright, just gonna do it. Just gonna do it. Chug, 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 chug those noodles.
Oh.
I mean, it smells bad. I'm not. I do see the tofu chunks though. Did you get a tofu chunk?
Mm-hmm. It's like right in a little tiny bit.
Careful. A hot ball of solder. That's flavorless.
Yeah.
That's 100% flavorless.
Like if it wasn't for that little bit of green and tofu I had, I'd have nothing to go off of.
Wait, did I not put the flavor in? That would make sense. That would make sense, huh?
Round two.
I was like, that's not bad. It's just nothing.
Plain ass noodles.
Yeah.
Nothing going on here.
Pretty much. Alright, let's try it again. That's pretty flavorful. Smelling.
Full set.
Okay. It's still, in my opinion, pretty flavorless. I'm gonna give it a C.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's like noodles. It's like,
More normal than the other vegan thing we just
that's
had.
true. Add a little seaweed to our suicide bomber here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa. If this doesn't impress you,
I'll be sad. I saved this for last for a reason. Watch it around the eyes. We're going all in. Ugh, it's thick. It's like tar.
Good.
Ugh,
You alright?
doesn't smell good.
No, it doesn't actually.
Well,
That is offensive.
it's spicy. It's not very good.
Yeah, no.
Into the pile. They took our gerbs.
Uh-huh.
All right, Ben. 10 ramens up, 10 ramens down. This camera, this camera, this camera. Hopefully this camera has okay sound. Tell the people what you got going on.
Oh, absolutely nothing besides this giant bomber! What? Hang on, can we rate that last beef one?
I'm gonna give it a probably a D.
I was gonna
It's
give it a
very,
C,
it's
but,
very disappointing.
but yeah, you're right. For what it was really disappointing.
This is nuts. Let's get in here. This is every single ramen except soy.
Except soy.
A little bit of soy
Yeah, that's true. We did get some soy in there.
put together. I'm gonna have. Do you want to eat it first, or do you want to film me eating it first?
I'll film you eating it first.
Okay. Make sure you get my good side.
Okay. Well, wait, where's the good side?
Both sides.
Okay. Here we go. Freelance files for the win! Get it! Oh, okay.
Make sure it's really mixed in here, you know.
Yeah.
Every flavor. I'm gonna sip the broth too.
God bless.
It's pretty good. Ooh! Oh my god. The broth is nuts.
Yeah.
I recommend.
Harness the power of all those ramens.
Yeah.
So this is like the Mega Man of ramen.
Alright, Bendy.
All right.
Don't mind my trashed ass kitchen.
Well, we've been messing.
I know, we
messing out of
gotta
it.
clean it after this.
Oh man.
It's good.
This is it. We're gonna have big reactions and be really, big. It's gonna be really crazy.
It's not bad.
Oh,
Pretty good.
yeah.
Amber, do you want to try the suicide? Sure. The broth is like, whoa.
Take your breath away with the spices there.
It's every spice known to man.
Yep. Just entered my party.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I have since found my camera, and that is what you are seeing right here. It was in a plastic bag in the back room here at work, so don't have to worry about that missing $500 camera, which is good. I hope you enjoy the ramen eating, and we're gonna obviously be doing something else later. My buddy Sean is thinking about doing Lay's potato chips tier list, and I'm down for that because there's about 500 different flavors. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and you enjoy the content. And I'll catch you on the next one.
Seen it my whole life.
Pepperoni grease. Catch you on the next one. Pretty good.